Good morning, students. Let's learn how to insert images on a web page to make it more attractive. Open Notepad application, then insert basic HTML tag like HTML head, title. Here I give title Learning to insert images. We will learn how to insert images on our web page. Close title tag, close head tag, then start body tag, and we will insert the main tag to insert images, that is img, image tag. src is the source, means the attribute of image tag. In the inverted code we will insert the name of image. Close body tag, html, then image is the main tag, src is the attribute of image tag. Insert name of image. Here image name is Durga. Let's see its properties. The type of image, three type images we can insert here: jpg image, png image, or gif image. This image extension is jpg, so insert durga.jpg. Now save this program. I gave images.html. Yes, image and file location is same here. Both the files are available on the desktop at same location. Open the image, Internet Explorer. Yes, we can see the image, means we have inserted our image on the web page. Now if the location of the image or the file is not similar, suppose our image is saved at another location, then we have to insert the complete path where the image is saved. How to insert the complete path? First of all, we have to open the images. We have to reach the image where we have located, where we have saved it. I opened here C drive, then program files, Scratch, means I'm inserting image from the Scratch media. Backgrounds, many types of images are available here. Open any images and click in the address bar. The complete address is selected here. Now copy it. After copy, now paste the copied path in the source. Means this image is GIF image. Let's see its effect on the web page. Refresh our web page. Yes, JPG and GIF we have inserted two type of images here. Now attribute, required attribute for image. We have four types of attribute in image: align, border, height, width. Let's change the alignment. Alignment, image tag has 5 types of alignment: top, bottom, middle, left, right. I change the alignment of Durga JPG right, and default it is in left side. It will be now at right side. Yes, flowers alignment is here left, and by default it was in right, next to the previously inserted image, but we have changed the alignment. Another attribute we can insert border, means we can apply border on our image. Refresh. Yes, now we can see the border on the image. Let's increase its width, border width. Yes, it is visible clearly. Easily we can see the border of the image. Another attribute of image tag, height and width, means we can change the height of image and width of the image. Here I have set height 200 pixels and width 200 pixels. Save program and then refresh. Yes. Now change another image, second image, height and width. Height 50%, means we can give the height and width in pixels and percent both. Height and width. Height specify the height of the image and width specify the width of the image. Yes, you can see the image height and width we have changed. So students, today we have learned how to insert images on the web page and enhance our